Let's learn how to install the SA101D. First, install the electrical stimulation module. Install screws around and secure them. Then, install the treadmill covers separately. And connect the signal lines. Use the tool to cut the trachea to the appropriate length. Then connect the air pump to the gas controller. And install the 5 tracheas in sequence. Connect the trachea in sequence to the gas controller. Note that the connections of the trachea should be matched 1-to-1. Then, connect the power cord between main unit and gas controller. The signal lines are operated in the same way. Connect this data cable between the main unit and the treadmill. Then, install the gas pipeline behind the main unit. Just turn on the power of the main unit in the gas control system, and we can start using it. This is the installation of our SA101D.